So I developed this thing here, this system. Okay, first of all, this is an antique radio. This is not mine, this is of my friend. And this is a tube radio, and these antique radios don't have FM reception. This one has just medium waves and short waves. And the point is that this system will add FM reception to antique radios. Okay, first of all, this is not an original idea. I got inspired by an already existing model that is sold, and it does the same exact thing. The only thing I added is a magic eye function for this system FM reception. And this radio doesn't have a magic eye, as you can see, but the radios that will receive this system, that will be tidied up, shrunk, miniaturized, will have a magic eye. And it's up to my friend to make this thing finally in a small box. So how this thing works? Okay, first of all, there's an hijack on the tube radio. There is this connection here that you can see. This connection is the hot side of the variable capacitor on the local oscillator section. You have to put the radio in medium waves reception, and the local oscillator will have a frequency ranging from like 1 MHz to kinda 2 MHz. This is a small capacitor I made DIY. It's just 1 picofarad, and this will pick the high voltage oscillation and apply it to a transistor here, and this transistor will drive a pin on the Arduino. The Arduino has a library inside on the code. I made the code from scratch, and this library is just a frequency counter, and it will read the frequency from like 1 MHz to kinda 2 MHz. And this will drive software-wise this small module here that is an FM tuner. This is a TIA 5767 is from an old MP3 player I had, and there is another library in the Arduino that manages the TIA chip, and the analog output, the audio output of the chip will drive on its turn the volume potentiometer of the radio, so the power amplification will be with the tubes, with the final stages of the radio. Anyways, there's also another pin 13 on the Arduino that drives this PNP transistor, and this transistor drives the magic eye with a small delay, with a small slowing down with this capacitor to make the magic eye move smoothly. And that's basically it. There's also the filament supply for the magic eye, and 20 volts, minus 20 volts negative supply also for the magic eye. And that's basically it. Okay, now let's test it. Let's turn on both the radio. I have to pay attention to the phasing of this plug, because this radio has an auto transformer, so it's live if you connect the plug wrong, so you can get shocked. Anyways, radio and transformer. This is a random 8 volts transformer with multiple outputs, but it's just for providing 8 volts. Maybe the light bulb supply of the radio will supply the power for the Arduino, etc. Anyways, let's wait for heating up. I have this speaker here at the moment. Okay, and now it seems it's picking up something, or maybe... Okay, varying the frequency on the local oscillator, so with the original variable capacitor of the radio, you will vary the FM reception with the same range from 87 MHz to 180. And that's... Okay, now it's picking up with the original harness of the radio. The magic eye turned on. And that's how it works. The volume potentiometer is broken. I'm not touching it because it messes the audio. Okay, and that's kinda it. That's the tone potentiometer. Okay, now it works as volume because anything is a bit broken. Let's vary the frequency again. Okay, and also the magic eye works. And you don't have to modify mechanically or almost at all the tube radio, just adding this system that again will be miniaturized without all these ugly wires, etc. Also with brand new parts anyways. Okay, so thanks for watching my video and bye!